In this video, I will share with you 2 of my favorite Microsoft Word hidden features. This is going to be fun. Let's get started. And hidden feature number 1 is the powerful Microsoft Word Clipboard. So let's say I'm working on this document about Velcro, the history of Velcro. This is fascinating. And maybe in the process of creating this document, I've had to copy and paste and cut several times. Every time I have copied or cut, it's used the clipboard to help store that information temporarily. At least that's the way it used to work. Temporarily, it would store it so that later I could paste that copied or cut content. But check out this favorite hidden tool of mine. If you go to the Home tab here in the Clipboard group, just click on this dialog box launcher button. And if I click there, look what happens. It opens up with the clipboard. Now, the clipboard for many of us has always just been this imaginary space somewhere where things go when we copy something in a document. But now, by clicking here on this dialog box launcher button, it takes you to the clipboard and you can see the things that you've copied and then you can paste them. Now, typically, you would just paste holding Control and tapping V, or you could go to the Home tab and click the Paste button, and the most recent thing that you've copied or cut will be pasted. But now, you can use this clipboard to go down here and say, well, actually, I would also like to paste this chunk of text. You can just click on it and it's added. And now I would like to add this piece of text. So I can just click on it and it's added to my document. This is a game changer for many of us that use Microsoft Word all the time to create complex documents, and we need to move pieces of the document around. This is just so helpful. Now, you may notice as I'm selecting these different copied sections of text that there's a button here at the right. That drop-down button lets you paste. So again, it adds it to your document. Or the other option is to delete that from the clipboard. So maybe I don't need this piece of text anymore. I'll just click there, delete it. It's now not going to clutter up the clipboard. Doing that is not necessary at all, but if you want to, you can do that. You can also click Clear All or Paste All, which is interesting. Using Paste All, you could first go in and highlight exactly what you're going to want to piece together and paste below. So maybe that piece of text, maybe this piece of text, and I'm just copying one after another and making them appear here. And then I should have and could have deleted the rest of these if I don't want those included. But these 3 are the ones I've recently copied. Now I can go down to where I want them to appear, click Paste All, and all of them are pasted together. So that's my first favorite Microsoft Word hidden feature. Let's go now to my second favorite Microsoft Word hidden feature, and that is using the text-to-speech read aloud tool. So for this, I can just highlight a piece of text or even the whole document, and then just go to the Review tab here and look for the speech group. Here it says Read Aloud, and this is basically text-to-speech. I can just click it.
The history of Velcro, a revolutionary hook and loop journey. Few inventions have traveled from mountain hikes to moon landings with the versatility and quiet genius of Velcro.
When I'm ready to stop the Read Aloud, I can just click here. If I want to resume it, I can click there again. Now I can also go here to the settings to change up the reading speed. I think it's about perfect, but if I want to increase the speed, I can. Let's try that.
From idea to innovation, Dinesh spent years perfecting the material, experimenting with different fabrics and manufacturing methods.
Okay, way too fast, but at least I have those options. I can also slow it down.
He developed a 2-part system.
All right, again, that's way too slow. So I need to adjust these more incrementally. A little slower. You can also adjust the voice. It can be a male voice, a female voice. Let's try a male voice, and I'm going to slow this down significantly. Let's resume.
Modern day staple, yet its origin story is as fascinating as its functionality.
Still too fast, but you get the idea. The Read Aloud or text-to-speech tool in Microsoft Word can be so valuable. This can help you in editing essays, making sure that you've used good grammar and that you haven't misspelled certain words. So in other words, it's great for proofreading. You can listen to your word choice and make sure that you're not repeating the same word over and over. And this is also great for accessibility purposes. To enable people that may be struggling to read the text visually, they can listen to the text. As a teacher through the years, I've had many students that were learning English, and this is a great way for people that are trying to learn English to be able to hear text read to them as they follow along. So these have been two of my favorite Microsoft Word hidden features. I hope you found them to be helpful. If you did, please like, follow, and subscribe. And when you do, click the bell and you'll be notified when I post another video. If you'd like to support my channel, the best way to do that is to become a channel member. But you could also click the thanks button below the video. You could support me through my Patreon account or by buying channel merch, and you'll see more information about those options in the description below the video. Speaking of supporting the channel, thank you so much to my fantastic Super Techie channel supporters. I really appreciate you.